Bonjour, bienvenue. Nous allons faire le dernier verbe. Le dernier verbe. The last verb. Okay. In irregular. There are still a lot of verbs, irregular verbs. We learn only this much. Okay, the remaining verbs, as the classes proceed, we will try to learn. Boire. Boire is to drink. It's ending in RE, but it doesn't follow SS nothing. That RE, regular RE endings, no, it doesn't follow. It takes its own way of conjugation. The conjugation goes like this. Je bois. Learn with me. B-O-I-S, B-O-I-S, B-O-I-T, B-O-I-T. Learn now itself. B-O-I-S, B-O-I-S, B-O-I-T, B-O-I-T. Buvons. B-U-V-O-N-S. B-U-V-E-Z, B-O-I-V-E-N-T, B-O-I-V-E-N-T. You must learn it today. Fine. By the end of this class. Okay, repeat the pronunciation. Je bois, tu bois, il boit, elle boit, nous buvons, vous buvez, il boit, elle boit. Once again, je bois, tu bois, il boit, elle boit, nous buvons, vous buvez, il boit, elle boit. This is a conjugation in present tense. It takes three translations. I drink, I do drink, I am drinking. Fine. Negative, how do you make negative? Negative conjugation? Al, ne, bois, pas. Ne after the subject. After the subject write ne. After the verb write pas as usual. So you get je ne bois pas. Repeat. Je ne bois pas. Tu ne bois pas. Il ne boit pas. Elle ne boit pas. Nous ne buvons pas. Vous ne buvez pas. Il ne boit pas. Elle ne boit pas. Okay, this is a negative conjugation. What's the meaning? I do not drink. You do not drink. Il ne boit pas. He does not drink. She does not drink. Nous ne buvons pas. We do not drink. Vous ne buvez pas. You do not drink. Ils ne boivent pas. They do not drink. Elles ne boivent pas. They do not drink. This is a negative conjugation. How do you make negative? You know. Ne after the subject, pas after the verb. The conjugation becomes negative. Then finally, how do you make interrogative? As usual, est-ce que. For je alone, we write est-ce que. So it becomes est-ce que je bois? Est-ce que je bois? Do I drink? Bois-tu? Bois-tu? Do you drink? Boit-il? Boit-il? Boit-elle? Boit-il? Boit-elle? Does he drink? Does she drink? Buvons-nous? Buvez-vous? Buvons-nous? Do we drink? Do you drink? Boit-il? Boit-elle? Do they drink? Do they drink? This is how you make interrogative. So three forms we have framed. This is affirmative with three translations. This is negative with two translations. And this one is interrogative form with two translations. Okay. So this is the end of present tense. Irregular verbs present tense we have seen. So many ER exceptions, IR exceptions, RE, OIR, this type of RE. Okay, all these exceptions. Still we have got some more. We need not learn them right now. We will learn them as the classes go on. Okay, with this we wind off this class. Probably we will see a new grammar, maybe future tense. So far you have seen only present tense. Now from tomorrow, probably future tense. Future tense is not as hard as present tense. It's quite simple. Understand? Present tense is the hardest of all tenses. Please bear in mind, present tense is the hardest of all tenses. You will have to mug up so many, memorize so many verbs, irregular verbs. Okay, so we will meet with future tense tomorrow. I bid you goodbye. Au revoir. À demain. Merci.